Hello. Welcome to Someday Farm. I'm Stephen Watson beside the bees home. And this is today's Tàijíquán Tip. And today's Tàijíquán Tip is to consider something that you can do iteratively in your practice. Maybe dozens, hundreds of times, maybe 108 times. Maybe Mundo Mala, you do it 50 times. And the idea is to use a counting device such as a mala, hair beads if you like. Mala just means garland in Pali. So it's sort of braided together objects. These are yak beads. And what you do is you just run them through, and there's specific ways to do it, but just running them through as a counting device. And you can see that we have this large Mahamala bead. So when I get to that, I'm gonna notice that I'm at the end, right? So in this case, 108. But I could just kind of start in the middle and say, I'm gonna just do 54 and count until so. But one of the ideas is that getting a bunch of repetitions in is good. And I might want to with every count of the mala, reconsider my root, or return to my center, or recover the depth of my breath, or return to the moment, or reevaluate my posture, whatever it might be that I'm working on. And the mala, although if it's a new one, it might remain interesting to you and kind of draw your mind to it over time. And generally a mala will be a fairly simple thing. I have a cowrie shell mala of sorts, which is a little different. And it should be a smooth, perhaps pleasing, sensual process to count and to push the mala through, but it shouldn't be so interesting that it itself grabs your attention. So I kind of can't lose count if I keep pulling or I keep pushing, whichever way you're going. And it's not particularly interesting to me. It's just simple and smooth, maybe a bit pleasing. So I'd invite you to count with something, and this could be knots in a rope. It could be something very, very simple. Or a necklace that you have that isn't really made for the purpose, or bracelet, and use that in your practice. I'm going to step in this manner until I finish the mala. So thank you very much, and everything that you do counts. Thank you.